Hello and welcome back to Crypto Daddy. In this video, we will take you through the analysis of the AMP token and its future price prediction. And will this coin hit $1? Do make sure that you subscribe though. This video does not represent investment advice, financial advice, or any other type of advice. And you should not regard any of it as such. The information in this video is provided solely for educational purposes only. Perform your own research prior to making any investment decisions. Let's get into this video. Lawmakers have criticized cryptocurrencies for being unfriendly to the environment. China has started to tighten down on cryptocurrencies, and who knows what Elon Musk may tweet next. The AMP has recently been listed on Coinbase, resulting in a price increase. Since then, it has been one of the best performing crypto assets this year. So the cryptocurrencies such as Bitcoin and Ethereum have been declining. In the last few months, the AMP has witnessed a remarkable gain of 320, pushing its value near to the top 20 cryptocurrencies. AMP is a digital collateral token designed to allow for quick and efficient value transfers, particularly in instances where security and irreversibility are important as collateral. It guarantees the value of any transfer while it is still in the process of being confirmed, which can take anywhere from hours to days. When the consensus for a specific transfer is reached, the collateralized tokens are released, making them available to collateralize another transfer. If consent on the transfer cannot be reached, the existing collateral might be liquidated to compensate damages. The Flexa network is the world's most fraud-proof payment network. It's controlled and only used for digital transactions, which separates it from other payment networks. Using AMP collateral, AMP allows quick verifiable guarantees for any ongoing or future value transfer, allowing any action dependent on the transfer to continue without delay. The security and efficiency of collateral that is publicly attested on an immutable ledger benefit both people and corporations. AMP's feature set is globally compatible with any type of value transfer and can therefore be used to allow fast, irreversible transactions for any type of asset, as well as manage the process of staking security on the chain. For each entity process application or transaction being funded, the AMP uses the idea of collateral partitions. AMP denotes a partition that can be accessed or managed by any number of operator addresses, allowing for fine-grained control and extensibility across a nearly infinite range of applications. In reality, AMP crypto has risen to 133 since the beginning of the month, while other tokens make a circle around the drain. For starters, NCR machines, with the exception of AMP crypto, are used in over 7,000 departments and retail establishments. This is one of the most impressive examples of crypto acceptance to date, which is why the outlook for AMP over the next 5 years is so promising. While Bitcoin looks to have dropped by over 40% in 2021. Except for AMP crypto, the cryptocurrencies have all followed. This year, the AMP has been a standout performer, rising from 3 cents to 10 cents in a couple of weeks. This is why many AMP crypto price forecasts are so positive. The blockchain network for which AMP was originally designed is massive, but the token's development will be dependent on similar contributions forming in the future. When you examine what AMP really accomplishes, it's not unreasonable. This isn't your typical token. Different cryptocurrencies have different applications. The AMP was designed to work on the Flexa network. It is an adaptation of the Flexa coin, or more specifically different coins combined into a single Flex coin and Casinis. In August 2020, the AMP token and staking platform were released. The token, like Bitcoin, has a limited quantity. This is fantastic news for inflation hedging investors. AMP's goal is to make it easy to use the Ethereum blockchain for everyday payments. It's intended to function in tandem with Flexa, a blockchain-based merchant payment network that's gaining traction. When you use your credit card to make a purchase at a business, Flexa allows you to pay for products and services using digital assets like Ethereum and other tokens. The transaction can be processed and confirmed very instantly by the company or the bank. AMP token operates as a sort of decentralized collateral. AMP tokens guarantee every transaction on the Flexa network, allowing physical and motor companies to accept crypto payments with confidence. Regardless of confirmation delays, participants can stake their AMP tokens to win rewards. These AMP tokens, when joined in pools, reduce the possibility of someone losing money in a fraudulent transaction. The AMP has been around since 2020, and its price began to rise in February 2021. The token began at 1 cent and has since risen to 7 cents. in contrast to other altcoins which have decreased in price. The price momentum of AMPs continues strong. AMP collaborates with Coinbase, Gemini, Bittrex, Flexa, SushiSwap, Uniswap, and a variety of other centralized and decentralized exchanges. Given how much public acceptance the AMP has received, it's reasonable to anticipate that the AMP will be around for a while and that its price may easily increase tenfold in the next 12 to 24 months. More serious cryptos have long-term survival and stability. A $1 price objective is a fair target for this cryptocurrency, which is the 39th largest token by market capitalization. Analysts are skeptical that it will be worth this much in 2030 despite its innovativeness, highly disruptive technology and potential to beat both Bitcoin and Ether. The AMP supply is currently set at 99.2 billion tokens, 40 billion of which are in circulation. Transactions are instantaneous unlike Bitcoin and may be completed at an NC or kiosk. The blockchain may be also used to validate the exchange of collateral for any other kind of payment, including physical value. You're not even confined to using cryptocurrencies as collateral. That is what distinguishes AMP Crypto from its competitors. More information on this unique cryptocurrency will be released as we wait to see if the Redditors were correct in their $1 price prediction. The digital gold rush for the 21st century as today's finest crypto buys, our resident Silicon Valley expert recommends 3 under-the-radar digital currencies. They're significantly smaller and less expensive than Bitcoin, and Dogecoin has up to 10 times the growth potential in the future years. One is now selling for approximately 12, and forecasts indicate that by the end of the year, the price may go as high as 88.56, representing a 638 profit. Hundreds of new cryptocurrencies are being added to the market. There are, however, several that address major issues in the crypto industry, pledging to change the way the market works. The AMP coin appears to be receiving favorable feedback from investors. Its trading volumes increased significantly following its inclusion on Coinbase, resulting in considerable demand for the coin. As a result, its value climbed in weeks after when the AMP coin touched $1. Many investors in the AMP token community believe it will reach $1 sooner rather than later. The Reddit community believes it is close to crossing the 1.2021 milestones. If the current trend continues, then crypto might become a viable investment option. Every day, a new cryptocurrency emerges to dominate the news. Recently, the AMP token has taken center stage, so you should keep an eye out on it. Well, guys, with all that said, we have come to the end of our video. If you haven't already subscribed, please do so. And if you want to show your support for the channel, all you have to do right now is take 2 seconds and press the thumbs up button and like this video. Until next time, keep learning and watching other videos.